how to pick up stitches on a sloped neckline. In many sweater patterns, the neckline has a cast-off edge, a vertical edge, and a diagonal edge that needs to be worked into. In this video, we'll show you how to pick up the stitches along a neckline that has a cast-off edge and sloping edges. We'll be using a contrast colour to keep things clear and simple. Top tip: follow the instructions of your pattern carefully, as there can be a lot of variations when it comes to neckline shapes. We'll work from right to left along our neckline. Along a vertical edge, you'll be inserting your needle through the centre of a stitch or the first space on the edge of the piece. You'll notice the edge forms a chain that looks similar to the V's of cast-on or cast-off edges. Insert your needle into the first stitch under both strands of the V along the vertical edge here. Then wrap your yarn around the needle tip and draw the needle through to the front. You've now picked up your first stitch. Insert your needle into the next stitch under both strands of the V. Then wrap the yarn around the needle tip and draw the needle through to the front. You have now picked up your second stitch. Top tip: always insert your needle under two strands along the edge. We'll continue to pick up stitches along this sloping edge. Now we'll pick up stitches along the cast-off edge in the centre. Insert your needle under both strands of the V on top of our cast-off edge, then pick up a stitch. We've reached the next sloping edge and will now pick up stitches under the space along the edge again. We'll continue to pick up stitches all along our neckline. Top tip: ensure you count how many stitches are required to work in each section. You might have to skip some stitches or spaces along the edge to pick up the required amount. Space these gaps out evenly. You can now pick up stitches along all differently shaped necklines.